All right. Today you are going to reread our selection. I could do that on your own and think about important ideas and to kind of help you and guide you. Use these pages in your reader's notebook. 289 and 290. These are just a great way to make sure you're getting the most out of the story. So let's see, you're going to have an interview with Mrs. Esther Morris. A reporter has come to interview Mrs. Esther Morris, the first woman to hold public office in America. Help complete the interview by answering the questions below. All right, so there's a question by the interviewee, and then it tells you which page to read to give Esther's answer. You're going to go through these two pages. Now you can either do this while you reread our anchor text today, or you could reread the anchor text and then go back and look at these pages to write Esther's specific answers. You can do it however works best for you. Once you're done with this, you can pause the video and come back to it. Now that you've reread our text, we're going to return to the essential question. With your learning adult at home, discuss what causes change in a community. Remember to look for text evidence and examples, either from your experience or from our story. And then have a classroom conversation. This classroom conversation box, obviously, it's just going to be you and your learning adult at home. But go through these three. You can pause the video and do that now and come back. Then you're going to make a timeline. Think about the many important things Esther did and create a timeline that shows her accomplishments as described in our anchor text. Make sure to include details about people, places, and events from the text. Now you can do this on a sheet of paper listing the years of her life, or you could always Google. There's many online tools. There are several out there for making your own timeline digitally, so you can do that as well. All right, so pause video and do that, and come back when you're done with that. Now it's time for your response. Do you think that Esther improved her community of South Pass City, Wyoming? And if so, how? How did she improve it? We're going to write a paragraph either in your composition notebook or just on a plain lined piece of paper. And you're going to write that paragraph stating your opinion. Don't forget to include facts and details from the text to support your opinion. A writing tip is to use domain-specific vocabulary, like our vocabulary words, and include a concluding statement in your paragraph.